right, so it wasn't working out with Chicken, so he was just a little spooked. We have little daylight, so we want to get up there and get a couple clips. Beautiful. Let's go! Getting it! Oh, they're both sitting it. Let's go! Side hill in the shoes. Lance got her down. Let's go! Oh, that's hard. Yeah, buddy! No! You good? Woo! Woo! Yeah, buddy. Chad Wang standing up on the mountain, on top. All right, Lance, tell us what is going on tonight. This doesn't happen for 15 years. So
Astronomer Lance here.
Yep.
So we're up here about 12,000 to 300 feet.
Oh yeah.
And as you can see, this bright star right here is Venus.
So that's Venus, guys.
Lighting up the sky. And then you go straight over.
So
Straight up. You got Jupiter right there.
Jupiter right there in a line.
Jupiter, and then you follow that same line over to that big orange guy right there. That's Mars.
Holy cow. The phone is not really picking up on oh, there we go. We got her now. That's crazy, guys. I mean, this happens once every 15 years is what you're saying, Lance?
Yeah, it's a rare.
And then to top it off, guys, that's Denver right there.
Then, yeah, you got Denver out there.
Honestly, like, this is a cool spot. Thursday, and we're gonna take a little break from trucking, and we're gonna show a little bit of footage today of Lance doing some drifting. And so we're gonna go up in the mountains. Where are we gonna go, Lance? What area?
Mexico.
Mexican mountains.
Yeah, so we're going to the Mexican mountains. Give them a follow if you guys kind of like this kind of content. All right, we got some fuel. We are hitting the road. Where are we going today, Lance?
Head up to the mountains, do some toge drifting with the boys. It's been snowing for the past couple of weeks, and it's finally sunny and nice.
Yeah, so beautiful day to do it. We're gonna get some content, and hopefully you guys enjoy. It is Saturday, and we are at Stageco. Just got our trailer going to Laredo, Mexican border for EDC in Mexico. So yeah, we'll just kind of take our time. We got till Monday to get there, and Carlos is gonna grab that trailer tomorrow, and then he's gonna meet up with me and we're gonna run a little bit together. So probably get the truck washed if the weather's gonna be nice, but yeah, just have to wait and see. Pretty sweet unit right there. All right, it is Sunday morning and made her to the Loves in Amarillo, Texas. So we're about 9.5 hours out from Laredo where we gotta drop this trailer. This trailer dropped, and then we got a tanker and trailer going to Ohio, and that picks up literally like 5 minutes from where dropped this show motion trailer, and then got 3,000 for that. It's about 1,400 miles, so a little over $2 a mile. Not bad, you know. Weighs 9,000 pounds, and Carlos got one too, so we're gonna go there together. And then we'll see if we can get something back to Minnesota. Show motion trailers off, and then we got a set of tankers, brand new tankers to pick up, so that'll be cool. It's crazy what Carlos has got. He always gets the heaviest loads. Freaking weighs probably like, I don't know, 10,000 pounds, but yeah, we're gonna get some coffee and whatnot, and then we're gonna head out. Look at this weirdo taking photos. He thinks his truck looks clean or something. Dude, say what's up to the YouTube viewers, eh? What's up? It's early in the morning for Carlos. Carlos is used to...
Everybody's against Trump. Wants to go to Mexico. You don't want to go there.
Man, all you see is trucks here. It looks crazy. Borders for you. It's a little gloomy this morning, but I'd rather take that versus it being freaking 87 degrees. I think the high today is 89. It's crazy, but yeah, that's Texas for you. All right, well, we got her dropped. It was a little chaotic, but we're in here and we're gonna go pick up the tankers now. So here we go. Just 5 minutes down the road. All right, Carlos and I got our tankers and we are out. We're gonna head to the Blue Beacon, get the trucks washed since these are brand new tankers. They look good. So Carlos got a good find because I didn't even find these. Carlos did. Yeah, they look pretty good. All right, got our trucks washed, looking good. Yeah, buddy. All right, now we are heading to Ohio, so here we go. Carlos is looking good. Yeah, we wiped down the trucks and put some tire shine on, so yeah, she's looking good. Should be good for some rollers.